Is there a particular color that works best with the ceiling for the stars? Does the kit, this is the do-it-yourself kit, and I guess if you're going to have me come out and paint, people have asked me this also. So these questions work for both. Let me start again. Is there a particular color that works best on the ceiling for the stars? Does the kit come with a base paint? We're selecting colors for the room and need to know if we have to buy black paint. That's not in the kit. All right. The best paint really for the stars, for the night sky, is a light color. Now, if you're going to be making a theater room, most people like to go with a dark color, dark, black or dark blue or whatever. That will work. You're just going to see some of the stars when the lights are on. Most people I've painted for, actually everybody I've painted for so far, has not had a problem with that. Usually you see the constellation stars and a few of the smaller stars, but that's it. And on a dark color, it just looks like the night sky. Does the kit come with the base paint? Okay, so again, you don't need dark unless you're doing a theater room or just want the ceiling to be dark. There is no base paint in the kit, and here's why. Let's say you have a white ceiling. Okay, in the daytime it's white, but when the lights go out at night, what color is the ceiling? It's going to be black. And so when the lights go out and the ceiling goes black, the stars are going to glow, and you're going to see those. It'll look just like it's on a black sky. So no, you can go any color you want. The lighter you go, the less amount of stars you're going to see when the lights are on. So something else besides the color, let me just put in a little plug for texture. If you have some texture on your ceiling, it's going to, when I paint or you paint, there's going to be little bumps. And if you have a smooth ceiling, a lot of times you're going to see those. Depends on the lighting and everything, but texture will pretty much erase all of that, so you're not going to see that in the light. So a light color is good, texture is good, and you can go darker, but when it's a darker color, you're probably going to see, some of the stars in the light.